Hi friends, welcome to tutorial days, and in this video we are going to discuss about fade in and fade out function. In the last video I have discussed about show and hide functions and how we can use that in practical life. So in this section we are going to discuss about fade in and fade out. So let's work on practical example. So let's do one thing. I'm just making it savage. So fade in .html. Now to understand it better, let's delete everything. We will create it from scratch, and also just I'll keep one and remove everything. So in the body section, let's take any image here. So let's download this image. We can use this as an example. This one. Okay, this image I'm going to save it in my folder. So flower. Now let's write here img src equals to flower flower dot webp. Okay, so this is all. Now let's open here that file fade in. Now you can see this is image. So here below this image we will write here one button. Okay, so so initially uh, okay, this button will show hide and show. Two buttons we will say take here. So the first one will be id and then hide, and this one will be id equal to this one will be show. So when we click on this button, then either it will show or hide. So let's refresh it. So we have two buttons, hide and show, but this time we are going to, so when we click on the hide button, that means this one, so id of this one we are taking. When we click on this hide button, then what will happen? Let's provide here id also of this flower. So id is flower. When we click on the button, then here uh, we'll write fade out. Fade out means it will hide but slowly. So refresh it and then click on hide. You can see it is hiding smoothly with fade effect. Now just copy it below, and this time we are going to write here show. When we click on the show button, then it will fade in fade in. So notice here o must be capital, and in this case I should be capital. Okay, it is case sensitive. So now refresh it. When I click on hide, then it gets caught hidden. When I click on this, then it's shown. But you can see it is not jerking, but it comes and goes with fade effect. And also here you can provide uh, like slow, and same if you write here slow, then the effect will go and come slowly, right? So this way you can use fade in and fade out. If you write here fast, then it will hide and show faster. And also you can provide here custom timing. For example, I'm giving here 1500, that means 1.5 seconds. So custom timing you can give here. It's coming, it is hiding slowly, and it's also coming, appearing slowly. Okay, and if you want to show and hide with the same button, in that case here we will write another button, and I will call it id show hide. Fade in, fade out, whatever you name. So show hide with the same button, it will work as 2-in-1. So now just copy it, and below here let's name, provide its name id here, and here lower. So we will write here fade toggle, fade. Notice here T is capital. Now if we refresh, so this is the third button. When we click, it goes. When we click, it comes. So with the same button you can show and hide, so it works as 2-in-1. So if you want to show and hide separately, in that case it is fade out, and this is fade in. With fade toggle you can toggle with the same button, that means show and hide with the same button.